In this video, you'll learn how to delete a page on Google Docs. Sometimes you end up with a random blank page at the end of your document or an extra page in the middle that you just don't want there. Maybe it showed up after copying and pasting content or from hitting enter one too many times. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through how to quickly remove that unwanted page so your document looks clean and professional. Let's start by opening Google Docs. You can do this by going to your browser and opening your document as you normally would. Make sure the document is fully loaded and that you can scroll through it from top to bottom. It helps to zoom out a little if you're working on a smaller screen so you can more easily see where one page ends and the next begins. Now, find the page you want to delete. This might be a blank page at the very end, or it could be a page that only has a few stray lines or spaces on it. In Google Docs, pages don't delete as a whole unit like slides in a presentation. Instead, a page exists because there's content or spacing that forces text onto that page. So to remove the page, you're really removing whatever is taking up space on it. Carefully move your cursor to the beginning of that extra page. Then click and drag to select everything on the page. This can include visible text, extra spaces, empty lines created by pressing enter, and any manual page breaks. If the page looks completely blank, there may still be invisible characters like line breaks there. So it's a good idea to drag from the very top of the page down to the bottom, just to be sure you've selected everything. If you suspect there's a page break causing the issue, place your cursor near the top of the empty page and press the backspace key a few times. Often, this will pull the content from the next page up and remove the empty one. But to stay precise and avoid accidentally deleting real content, selecting the entire area on that page first is usually safer. Once you have all the extra text, spaces, or page breaks selected, press the delete key on your keyboard. If you're on a different device or keyboard layout, you can also press backspace. Both keys will remove the selected content. When that content is removed, Google Docs will automatically reflow your document. The pages will shift up, and that extra page should disappear. Take a moment to scroll through your document again and confirm that the unwanted page is gone and that the remaining content still looks the way you want it to. If you accidentally deleted something important, you can always use the undo shortcut to bring it back and try again more carefully. That's all you need to do. By opening your document, selecting the extra text, spaces, or page break on the page, and pressing delete or backspace, you can quickly remove any unwanted pages in Google Docs and keep your document clean and organized.